Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Alabama on the Stryker SR-955. Robert got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, as well as the ERF 2030 Plus upgrade to the MOSFET finals. Let's get right to it, Robert. Start with your RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. And as always, we set it at 2 watts low just in case you decide to run a 4-pill or something, you got full adjustability. And just a hair under 20 all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 62 bird, 250 watt slug and PEP. Low 120 PEP. Alright, Robert, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.